Junior at Monterey High, and I'm going to talk about the dance class and why it's important and how it's changed me. I've got a big speech for it. As Broadway star Idina Menzel once said, things happen for a reason and in their own time. And true to her words, finding the dance class in the MPC catalog happened for the best reason and at the right time. I would watch musicals and wish I could be up there dancing so freely, but I didn't think I could do it. I thought I was too clumsy, not flexible enough, and too scared to be on stage. I didn't think I would enjoy the class because of this. To my dismay, I did enjoy the class. And although I wasn't the best dancer, I wanted to get better at it. So I realized I had to work hard to get there. I put my all into the class, and eventually I got the results I wanted. From that point on, I came to the understanding that I could do anything, as long as I worked for it. I started to work hard in academics as well, and got better grades. All of a sudden, I had a burst of confidence. I no longer felt like a worthless person. I was happier than ever and ready to conquer the world. This dance class has also helped me get through things that often come to a challenge to me. Having a mild form of autism called Asperger's syndrome, I didn't like making eye contact. I was uncomfortable with people touching me, and I didn't like to look at an audience. This dance class helped me overcome it since I had to face it every day during practice. Along with better communication skills came new friends, which was important to me since I do not get along very well with kids at school. Now I have friends that like me because they see me do something very well. I have found a place that challenges me to be all I can be, to transcend any circumstances. I don't want this to be taken away from me or anyone else. This class has changed my life. May it change the life of others.